Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of beverages. It refers to a distilled alcoholic drink made from fermented grain mash, typically aged in wooden casks. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as whiskey, whiskey, whiskey. Whiskey is crucial in the world of spirits, helping to create a rich and complex flavor profile enjoyed by enthusiasts around the globe. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about whiskey, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.